Hey guys, it's Rita with Craft Today with Rita Renee. Today I'll have two DIYs for you. The first one is a little time consuming, but I think you'll enjoy it. The second one is a very quick one. Right here you'll see that I have picked up a picture frame from Goodwill. I think I paid $3 or $4 for it. I'm giving it a coat of white chalk paint. I'll let that dry and give it one more coat. I hope you enjoy the DIYs today. If you do, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And hit that notification bell for upcoming videos. Comment below and let me know what you think about the DIYs. Here's the detailing in the frame. And now I'll just lightly sand to distress the piece. Now I'm going to take some antique wax and just rub it over the detailing and wipe it off a little bit. Here I'm showing you the detail in the frame after using the antique wax. It's a very pretty frame. I think that turned out great. Now I will be using some chicken wire. I did get this at Hobby Lobby, and I will cover the back of the frame. Here I'm just placing the chicken wire on the frame, and I'll use wire cutters to trim that up. Okay guys, I'm just using a regular stapler to staple this to the frame. It does have like a felt backing there, so it's not a hard wood that you have to staple into. And here is what it looks like with the wire in place. Just a few more steps and we'll be complete. I'll now be taking some glass vases and bottles, wrapping twine around those, securing with a knot in the back, and then I'll just run the twine up through the back of the chicken wire and secure it behind the frame. I'll do this with a total of 3 vases and 2 small bottles. This is a bit time consuming, and you just have to work at it until you get your bottles in place and secured well. Okay, I have the bottles in place, and I placed some flowers in those. I think this turned out really pretty. I do have one more DIY after this one. It's a quick one, so stay tuned for that. And if you like the DIY, please give it a thumbs up. And here it is hanging on the wall. Not sure where I'm going to put it yet, but I just wanted to give you an idea of how it would look on the wall. So for the second DIY, I'm using this glass lantern, I guess it is. I got this at Target a few months ago. I got this little ceramic bunny at Dollar General. And I'm using some Easter eggs I picked up at Dollar Tree today, and they actually had those marked down to 25 cents a bag. I'm using some of the grass. It's not the moss, but the longer grass. I'll just place that in the base, put the little bunny in, and drop some of the little gold eggs in. I was going to use some of the bigger eggs, but they just didn't seem to look right, so use the smaller eggs only. So here it is, guys. It's kind of hard to see, but it did turn out really cute, and it's a very quick, simple Easter DIY. Here's a look at both of the DIYs again. I hope you enjoyed these. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so and hit that notification bell for upcoming videos. If you like these, give them a big thumbs up, and please leave any comments below. As always, thank you and have a great day.